Hey everyone, welcome to Master None Garage. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to be painting my Pop's Honda Civic hood with a little taste of America. So this is what it looks like, just black. I think it has a little bit of flake in it, but I'm going to sand it down, paint it one solid color, tape it up, and then paint it with another color. It's going to be very simple and something you can do at home. So here we go. Well, I got the first coat, put it back black. I'm gonna probably coat it probably one or two more times. You can see there's some dry spots. We're just using rattle cans here. Trying not to get really technical, but once I do some more coats on there, I'll let it dry completely, and then I'll be able to tape off my design, and then untape it, and then clear it, and we'll be done. So this is a real quick one. Well, I'm all done. Here's what it looks like. Very simple. Surface isn't perfect. There's a bunch of imperfections, but he just wanted something different. And his hood had a bunch of chips and stuff in it. So I think it looks pretty good. This one's just a quick, easy thing. If you got like, you know, a car that doesn't have a great paint job and you wanted a little bit something different, you could do this in one day pretty much. With a little know-how and ingenuity, you can come up with your own thing. My dad just showed up. He's gonna get his hood back. You excited?
Yeah, can't wait.
Have you seen it?
No.
So mom didn't show you the picture.
Show me nothing.
Good.
It's freaking awesome.
You like it?
Yeah. Paint.
Yeah. Brings back memories, huh?
Got a little military look to it a little bit. I like it.
Good deal. Perfect.
Nice.
All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. And if you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to comment.
Bye.
See ya.